On today's show, after the cloud show, we have the sunshine show. And Debs shows us how to make something I've never seen before. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, Debs from Dream Hire Events is back. Hello.
Oh, hello. How are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
Great.
Fantastic. Glad we had that chat. Now, Debs, I've just knocked this together quite
Of course
quickly.
you have. It's absolutely...
Do you like it?
Such talent.
God, you are really good at giving credit where it's due. Needless to say, I've not knocked this together. Debs has put this together, but it's not. I'm going to put it back down. It's very nice, isn't it? It's very nice. But it's not good enough, Debs.
No.
No.
Never good enough.
It needs to be Debsified.
It definitely does.
So we're going to do something a bit different.
We are. We're going to create a sun.
So last time we had clouds.
So it's the sun after the rain.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
I like that. I like the umbrella.
And we need
photo
the sun.
shoot.
We
That's
need
good
the
fun.
sun.
We
Bring
need the
on
sun.
the sun.
No, I like the winter. Enjoy and embrace.
No.
No?
Bright. Bring on the bright colours.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So let's do it.
So let's bring the sunshine after the rain.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So to start, we are going to take, so I have Sempertex Peach.
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be the centre of my sun. I've blown this up, I would say it's around 8 inches.
Okay.
And then I have a orange 260 going all the way around.
Okay.
So I've just tied that off by the neck. So what I'm going to now do is take duplets of orange.
Okay, do you want give me the bag? I'll pass them out to you.
Pass them out, pass them out.
Okay.
So these are measured to 3 inches. And I'm literally tied 2 together, and carefully you want to lift up the 260 and pop these in. And you're going to go all the way around the balloon. So sometimes you are definitely probably going to find that your biggest challenge is making sure that the 260 doesn't slide. So what you can do is to stop that, you can pop a little glue dash on 1 or 2 as you go around.
It's looking great. I like that.
You could kind of use it as a lion's head as well.
Oh, you could, couldn't you?
Could, yeah, looking at it now, I'm like, it's screaming lion to me.
You don't need these, do you?
No. So I'm just going to secure a few into place, which might make it easier.
Okay.
So it doesn't move around.
There's other balloons in here. Shall I get those out?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wow. It should be all right. So I've pre-made these ready. So they're just 5-inch balloons. And then I've done a raisin knot at the end. So what I've done is I've tied a 260 in a knot quite a few times, popped that into the 5-inch balloon, and then wrapped a 260 around. And then I've kind of purposely kept them pear-shaped.
Yeah, so you've
which normally we don't do at the moment in the balloon world, but this then will represent like the ray of the sun. And then because it's got the attachment point at the bottom, what you will see is in between each of the duplets, you have like a little diamond hole.
Okay, yeah.
And then the 260 is there to attach onto. So I'll literally take one of my rays of sunshine, wrap that round that centre 260.
And just tie it.
And then just tie it off.
And repeat.
And repeat all the way round.
Okay, go for it. I quite like the effect of this. How did you come up with the idea for this?
So I actually had a customer who brought me an inspiration pick, and it was just a 12-inch balloon with some 5-inch balloons just stuck around the sides. So I did look at it and I thought...
What, just stuck on?
Just stuck on, and I was like, I can't do that. Like, and then I thought, right, okay, I understand the concept of what you would like. So I came up with this because
something
then that way...
far nicer.
Yeah, and actually it's so secure because it's all anchored in, so nothing's going to fall off. Because I do find that, especially with the weather, when it gets cold, like to glue dashes, you can't necessarily rely on solely. So yes, this is how
That's great.
you would kind of create the sun. So just go in and cut any of the necks that you can see, or any of the excess 260. But
are you going to cut the necks on the end or not?
No, I quite like them.
All right.
I quite like them. You can cut them
if you want to, yeah.
But yeah.
So how are you going to attach this to here?
So I'm going to kind of look. So one of the necks is probably a good thing to attach with.
Oh yeah, of course.
So I'm going to attach with this neck here onto the main cloud, and then I have left the tabs on my number. So I'd probably just add in a cluster of white at the top here, and then that will give me another anchor point. Right, so I'm just attaching.
Whose faux balloon is this? What manufacturer?
It's Unique.
Unique.
Unique, yeah.
Nice, I like it.
I do like their numbers, especially their matte coloured numbers are quite nice. So.
Do you want me to hold anything or do anything?
I think I'm alright. Might just need to put another white balloon to make that a little bit bigger. So I'm going to prop the sun onto here.
Okay.
So I just need to make sure that that comes out far enough for it to sit flush and attach onto there. So I'm actually going to anchor it in with the end into that cloud, but this it's just going to get stuck onto it. But I also do, so I twist 5 inches in half.
Okay. 2 for the price of 1.
Yeah. But also it just gives you a smaller cluster than using like the full 5-inch. This is a great technique even if you just wanted to add like texture to your stack. Like that should be in place, enough to attach to, and then if you could you hold that there? So I'm just going in to find the neck within this little mini cloud. One that I can attach to.
You've got it?
Got it. So then that's anchored onto there. And you kind of still want to see that one.
Oh, it's the wrong side, on the wrong side. Oh, look what I just found.
Oh no, we had the one.
There was another one.
Right, could I get a sticky dot, please?
Sticky dot.
Dash. Sticky dash.
Do you want it peeled and ready to go? Both sides?
Why not?
Because I've not got my glasses on.
Oh no,
that's
not
why.
both sides.
Oh, just the one side.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Ta-da! There you go. The sunshine after the rain.
I could literally tweak it for
Yeah,
ages,
leave it
but
alone. Leave it alone.
Yes.
All right, Debs, thank you so much for that. That's very good.
Thank you.
I like it. Not seen that technique before. Very good. As a guest on BMTV, do you know what? You got to ask everybody the question of the week.
Oh, I should be used to this right now. What's the weather like today?
Oh my God, that is terrible.
Give me
That
one,
is
please.
the
I hate
worst.
being well, we're
That
British,
is the
right?
worst question
Are we just not? We're just our summer.
ever. How many people like winter? There you go. Who likes winter? Who likes summer?
Who likes? Yeah.
What's your favourite
What's your
season?
favourite season?
There you
Smashed
go.
it.
We got
there.
there.
You go.
We got
That's
there.
The question.
All right. Well done for that. Well
Thank
done.
you.
All right,
I
Debs.
do balloons. I don't do questions.
All right, okay. Well, thank you so much for making this. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. And hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on TikTok. And you might want to check out the huge numbers that Debs has got on. It's not huge. 388,000 at the time of filming. Tiny, tiny. Hardly known by anybody. Anyway, check her out at Dream Hire Events. Right, stay happy, stay positive. See you all next time. Bye.
Bye.